Creating a successful music YouTube channel can be both exciting and rewarding, especially with the rise of advanced AI tools that make content creation easier. SUNO AI, an AI-powered tool that generates realistic music compositions and soundscapes, is one such technology. With it, you can launch a professional-grade music channel without needing a background in music production. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps of creating a YouTube channel using SUNO AI to produce your music. Understanding SUNO AI. What is SUNO AI? SUNO AI is an artificial intelligence platform designed to generate high-quality music, soundscapes, and compositions. By leveraging machine learning and extensive music datasets, SUNO AI allows users to create original tracks in various genres, styles, and moods with minimal input. Whether you're looking to produce lo-fi beats, cinematic soundtracks, or upbeat pop tracks, SUNO AI provides the tools to create professional music quickly. Why use SUNO AI for a YouTube channel? Cost-effective. You don't need expensive recording equipment or instruments to create music. Accessibility. Even if you have no music production experience, SUNO AI's user-friendly interface makes it easy to generate custom tracks. Time efficiency. Composing music can be a time-consuming process, but AI speeds up the workflow by generating music in a matter of minutes. Variety. You can experiment with various genres, moods, and lengths to keep your channel fresh and diverse. Setting up your YouTube channel. Before diving into music creation, it's essential to set up your YouTube channel properly. Here are the key steps to get started. Step 1. Create a YouTube account. If you don't already have a YouTube account, sign up using your Google account. From there, create a dedicated YouTube channel for your music content. Log into YouTube. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Create a Channel. Choose a channel name that reflects your content. Consider using music-related keywords to attract your target audience. Customize your channel's branding, including the profile picture, banner, and channel description. These elements should represent your niche, like lo-fi beats, instrumental tracks, or ambient music. Step 2. Define your niche and audience. Narrowing your focus is crucial for standing out in the vast YouTube space. Consider what type of music your audience will want. Here are some popular niches you can target. Lo-fi beats for studying, a hugely popular genre for students and professionals looking for background music. Cinematic soundtracks, ideal for filmmakers or content creators who need royalty-free music. Relaxation and meditation, music designed to calm listeners. Instrumental background music, great for productivity and working environments. Once you identify your niche, tailor your content to appeal to that specific audience. This helps build a loyal following over time. Step 3. Set up channel art and branding. Your channel art is the first thing people see when they visit your page. Create a high-quality banner that represents your brand. If you aren't a graphic designer, free tools like Canva or Adobe Express offer templates that you can customize. Your logo and thumbnails should also be consistent across all videos to build a recognizable brand identity. Step 4. Optimize your channel description. Your channel description should clearly explain what your channel offers. Use relevant keywords to improve your chances of being discovered through YouTube's search engine. Describe the kind of music you create and include phrases like royalty-free music, lo-fi beats, or background music, depending on your niche. Creating music with SUNO AI. Now that your channel is set up, it's time to create the music. Here's a step-by-step guide to using SUNO AI to produce your tracks. Step 1. Access SUNO AI. Visit SUNO AI's official website and sign up for an account. Most platforms offer a free trial, but you may want to subscribe to a paid plan for full access to premium features like higher quality exports or more music templates. Step 2. Choose a music genre or template. SUNO AI provides a range of music genres, from lo-fi and hip-hop to classical and electronic. Select a genre that fits your niche. If you're creating lo-fi beats, for instance, you'll find templates designed to produce that distinct chill and mellow vibe. Step 3. Customize your track. After choosing a template, you can tweak the music to suit your style. Adjust the tempo, instruments, and layers to create something unique. SUNO AI allows you to control various aspects of the music, such as adding specific instruments like piano, strings, or drums, or modifying the intensity and mood of the composition. One of the benefits of SUNO AI is that it provides real-time feedback. You can make changes and immediately hear how the track evolves, ensuring the final product aligns with your vision. Step 4. Generate and export the music. Once you're satisfied with the composition, export the track in your preferred format. WAV or MP3 are common. Make sure to save your music in a high-quality format to maintain sound integrity when uploading to YouTube. Creating engaging YouTube videos. Now that you have your music, the next step is creating videos for your channel. YouTube is a visual platform, so pairing your audio with captivating visuals is essential. Step 1. Select video editing software. There are various tools to help you create video content, ranging from basic to advanced. Basic tools: iMovie, Windows Movie Maker, or Canva for simple video generation with background music. Advanced tools: Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve for more complex editing and effects. Step 2. Add visual elements. For music channels, you don't necessarily need elaborate visuals. You can use static images, looped video clips, or animated visuals that sync with the music. Here are a few ideas. Nature scenes like relaxing visuals of flowing rivers, forests, or sunsets work well with ambient or meditation music. Abstract animations can pair well with lo-fi or electronic music. Minimalist designs, a simple, minimalist background with soft motion, can keep the viewer's focus on the music. If you're not a videographer, you can find royalty-free visuals on sites like Pexels, Pixabay, or Vidizi. Tools like Canva also allow you to add animations and create engaging visuals without advanced design skills. Step 3. Sync audio and video. Make sure your music is properly synced with the visuals. Depending on your editing tool, this process will vary, but it generally involves dragging your music file into the video timeline and adjusting the visuals to fit. Step 4. Include text and branding. For a professional touch, include your channel's branding, like your logo or watermark, in your videos. You can also add text overlays that describe the music, such as lo-fi study beats, or invite viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Step 5. Optimizing videos for search. After creating and editing your video, the final step is uploading it to YouTube and optimizing it for visibility. Step 1. Craft an SEO-friendly title. Your video title is critical for attracting viewers. Incorporate relevant keywords to improve your video's chances of being discovered in search results. For example, if your track is a lo-fi beat, a title like Lo-Fi Chill Beats for study and focus relaxing background music works well. Step 2. Write a compelling description. The video description provides more context for viewers and YouTube's algorithm. Include relevant keywords that describe the video, such as the genre, mood, or use case like study music, relaxation music, and so on. You can also add links to your social media profiles or other platforms where viewers can find your music. Step 3. Use relevant tags. Tags help YouTube categorize your video and recommend it to the right audience. Use both general and specific tags related to your video's content. For instance, if you've created a lo-fi track, use tags like lo-fi music, chill beats, study music, and background music. Step 4. Create an eye-catching thumbnail. Thumbnails play a significant role in attracting viewers. Design a custom thumbnail that reflects your video's vibe. You can create simple, high-quality thumbnails using tools like Canva or Photoshop. Make sure the thumbnail is bright, clear, and visually compelling. Promoting your YouTube channel. Creating high-quality content is just the first step. Promotion is essential to growing your channel. Step 1. Share on social media. Promote your videos on social platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. You can also join communities related to your music genre, such as Reddit, Discord, or Facebook groups, and share your content there. Step 2. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborating with other music creators or channels can help you reach a broader audience. You can offer to feature their music on your channel or ask them to collaborate on a joint project. Step 3. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and encourage viewers to interact with your videos. Building a community around your channel helps increase engagement, which YouTube rewards by promoting your content more frequently. Step 4. Consistency is key. Finally, be consistent with your uploads. Whether you post new music weekly or bi-weekly, staying on schedule will keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Conclusion. Creating a music YouTube channel using SUNO AI is an exciting venture that combines the power of artificial intelligence with creative expression. By setting up your channel, producing high-quality music using SUNO AI, and optimizing your content for YouTube's algorithms, you can build a successful channel that attracts listeners and grows over time. Stay consistent, engage with your audience, and experiment with new music styles to keep your content fresh and appealing. If you found this video helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Don't forget to like and share this video with fellow music enthusiasts who might benefit from these tips. Together, let's embark on this musical journey and inspire others to unleash their creativity. Make the background music energetic.